This is the circuit for our project electrical appliance switching using remote control done by batch 1 of Triple B GR80 represented by Sinduri, Krishnapriya, Priyanka, Rajita and Tejaswini. We were guided by Mr. Chakravarti, Associate Professor of Triple Department GR80. Now the construction of the circuit is as follows. There are 4 main circuits: power supply circuit, microcontroller circuit, transmitter receiver circuit and relay driver circuit. Power supply circuit provides a DC supply of plus 5 volts to the microcontroller circuit. The microcontroller circuit has a AT89C51 of 8051 microcontroller family with a C program embedded in it. The program is written in a way that the binary code is input at port 1 and the corresponding output is provided at port 0. This is the transmitter receiver circuit. When a key is pressed, the remote transmits an IR infrared signal which is an RC5 code. The TSOP 1738 here detects the IR signals, pre-amplifies it before giving it to the RC5 decoder chip. The RC5 decoder chip used here is ST3659 which decodes the code into last binary output. Next circuit is relay driver circuit. The output from the microcontroller is given as input to the relay driver circuit. This consists of amplifiers to provide a 12 volt DC supply for the relays to trip. When an appropriate input is received, the corresponding relay trips and the bulb glows. The demonstration is as follows. When we press 2, the second bulb glows. When we press 3, third bulb glows. And when 4 is pressed, fourth bulb glows. And when 9 is pressed, all the bulbs are off. Now let's trace how these bulbs glow. When the key 3 is pressed, the remote transmits IR signals which is detected by the TSOP and is amplified. The decoder chip ST3659 receives this amplified signal, decodes the RC5 code and provides last binary output at the output port, which is the input to the port 1 of microcontroller. As key 3 is pressed, the binary code should be 0011. The output must be 0100 since bulb 3 must glow. This conversion is done by the C program embedded in the microcontroller. The output at port 0 is input to the port of relay driver board. According to the input received, the relay trips and the circuit and the supply terminals are contacted and the bulb glows. When 3 is pressed, third bulb glows. When 4 is pressed, fourth bulb glows. When 2 is pressed, second bulb glows. And when 9 is pressed, all the bulbs are off.